Hey guys, what's going on? Confirming I'm here back with another 2-minute technicals looking at BTC. As we can tell today, look at that, to a T guys, ain't that crazy? Hitting this 236 on the long term. As you can see, this is the red line animating the green line, and also hitting the 2618 on the short period. It's kind of funny how those both work out, right? Right to a T. Absolutely crazy, at least in my mind. And now got our sharp retrace back to the 1618 here at $27,524. Just holding it back, hitting this 50-day moving average here in the 1 hour, and holding that 1618. Now getting sandwiched between the 20-day moving average here and that 50-day, but we're still holding above the top of our trend line right here. So we got rejected back down to it. Now we're holding it as support. So what does that lead me to believe? We hit our first target, guys. Ain't that great? So hit this one, check mark. That's gone. So next target here, 3618 at $29,180. That is the next target we're going after. And even if we were to grab ourselves a trend line from the top here and go across, you can see that even at the latest time, it's still going to happen tomorrow at some point. You're going to get a move that's going to bring up to the same point. I gotta say, it's crazy that it works like this, but you can see that it's going to happen Monday or Tuesday. There's going to be a move up to this 29,180. As you can see on the 1 hour, we're oversold. We're at a 47. Nice to see. We've gotten our kick backwards. You can see that the farthest we've gone down on it is around 36. But at the moment, we are holding the low that we made here before, over here on the 18th, as yesterday. And it looks like we could use it as continuation if we can hold here at the 50-day moving average, just as we did over here, just as we did over here. We came back down, get back into support, and then move to the upside. But it's going to be a very interesting volatile week because we have tomorrow, we have some liquidity US dollar injections. If you guys look up, I'll have to share it on Twitter, but something interesting is going on with the European Central Bank. I guess you have something with some president drama happening on Tuesday, and then you have the federal interest rate hike meeting on Wednesday. There's a lot going on. And then, so on the low end, guys, you're looking at a retracement back down to the 702, around here, around $26,765 on the, we want to stay above 26,500, as we know that is a bullish continuation for us, but I'm just giving you that as a kind of like an understanding of what could happen. And we could come back into this trend right here, above the one, hold above $27,002, and then still reach for that target up there at around 29,180. But like I said, worst case scenario, falling down here to the 702 or resetting the trend here at 26,000. But I would expect, since we've reached up this high, if we hold above this 1618, that 3618 is pretty soon, as opposed to if we were to fall below here and get down to the 1 region, I would expect hitting in that 702 region. Here on the 4 hour, we can still see that we really haven't come 100% close to retesting, but we're kind of gathering steam. Even if we were to go throughout the day today and meander ourselves above that 1618, that 20-day moving average is going to come in for a nice support for a lift off again. But you can still see we're pretty in the oversold category at the moment. So we're definitely going to see how that winds up working out, because let's see if we look in the past how long that can work out for. It still has potential. You can get those nice pushes and then push right back up afterwards. But we're up here in the graces at the moment. But be on the lookout. See if we can hold this $27,524. And then at worst case scenario, holding this 27,500, realistically the 382. But realistically, we want to stay above $26,765 for a continuation on a short period. But we have our steps here, and this is what we'd want to see this kind of play out, because both those targets come out around the same spot around the same time. But all right, guys, have a good morning, afternoon, where we are. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my opinion, and we'll see you in the next one.